Are you ready to ensure escalators operate safely and efficiently? This video guides you through performing an escalator maintenance inspection using eAuditor. Discover how to assess mechanical, electrical, and safety components effectively. Start by gathering essential information and setting up inspection parameters. Log into the eAuditor app on your mobile device. Select or create the escalator maintenance inspection checklist template. Input key details like property name, location, and serial number. Review previous maintenance records and safety regulations. Conduct a visual inspection to spot visible damage or irregularities. Focus on steps, handrails, and safety signage. Use the eAuditor to mark items as satisfactory or needing attention. Attach photos of any worn or damaged parts. Add comments on cleaning or repair needs. Verify the functionality of electrical components like control panels and wiring. Use the eAuditor to mark items as operational or needing attention. Attach photos of any faulty wiring or damaged switches. Add comments for necessary repairs or adjustments. Ensure safety systems are properly grounded. Ensure safety devices like sensors and emergency buttons are working. Test each system and mark it as operational or not. For mechanical parts, assess drive chains and motors. Use the eAuditor to document the condition of these components. Attach photos and comments for any needed repairs. Check if moving components are properly lubricated and clean. Inspect step chains and bearings for sufficient lubrication. Mark lubrication levels in eAuditor as sufficient or not. Attach photos of any dirty or dry parts. Add comments on cleaning or lubrication requirements. Summarize the inspection findings and generate the report. Review observations and photos recorded in eAuditor. Assign the escalator status as operational or needing attention. Obtain digital signatures from the inspector. Generate and share the report via email or cloud storage. Performing escalator maintenance inspections with eAuditor ensures safety and compliance. Digital checklists and automated reports enhance inspection accuracy. Regular inspections improve safety, reduce breakdowns, and ensure reliable performance.